Hi, I'm Alex Chiocchi. Web3 is supposed to promise people better control over their data, their power of governance, and their money. People shouldn't be worried about how computers are communicating with each other. And what we're trying to do with the blockchain operating system is build a new way for developers to make better services for people. You shouldn't overthink the technology. Every industry probably has something that a blockchain could help with. Near, by nature of being a proof of stake blockchain, means that there's a lot of things that you can build on it. Near has super fast settlement time, really low transaction costs, and a really awesome scaling architecture. And that's perfect for building front-end experiences. What we're building integrates with Near on a few different levels. It uses the core protocol to produce the visual layer that people will interact with. And then it integrates with other blockchains. So when you do actions on your main account, it also reflects actions on another blockchain. And the bridge between those two things is JavaScript. And the advantages of that are if things are more auditable, more understandable, they're actually more protected for data security as well.